Hello everyone, Andre is here. Let's talk about area attributes. Area attributes. This is our way to supplement regular HTML elements and to make them accessible. The first on our list is area label. This attribute provides the name to the element. Let's see the example. I have here a button and there is a close method called when we click on that button, and everything that you will see in the UI is just the X sign. And usually when you see like a cross or X, you naturally understand that this button is closing something, a page, a model, a menu. But screen reader doesn't know about that. We need to tell screen reader what this button is doing, and we will use aria-label attribute to provide this name or context. So with aria-label, you see here I have aria-label equal, and then I put my description inside of these quotes. This is the way to make this button accessible for screen readers, and I will specify close. Another example, I have a button, again I have a click and close method called on a click, and instead of X I have a close inside of this text of button and closing tag button. In this case, I do not need aria-label attribute. You see, there is no aria-label attribute. Why is this? Because this text, which is a native text of a button, which is close, it is the accessible name for the button. I don't need to duplicate that with aria-label. The screen reader already knows, based on this text, what this button is doing. The next example is related to links. I have here a link, href, it doesn't lead anywhere, but that's just a demonstration, and I have a label for that link, which is read more. Read more is what you will see in the browser. The problem with this link is that you don't know read more about what. A better way to create this link would be to add a description here. I have the same link, but now I have read more about, let's say, Humber courses. Okay, that makes more sense, but now my link is too long. What if I don't want to make the text of a link too long? What if I would like to keep it short as 2 words, read more, but I would like to make this link accessible? The answer to that question would be I should use aria-label attribute. So here is my example. I have my link. It's just read more visible in the page, but I add aria-label and I describe what this link is doing or where it leads. I have here a link to a page to read more about Humber courses. This text is not visible on the screen. It doesn't mess with my design. It's still a very small link, which is read more only, but the aria-label provides extra context to that link.